Additional resources. Please familiarize yourself with our website by visiting sps.cuny.edu. Here you will find a number of resources, such as the academic calendar, the school catalog, and information about different programs, scholarships, financial aid, and student services. Under academics, you will find the academic calendar, which has important dates, deadlines, the school catalog, and program-specific information. Click on Undergraduate Programs, and then click on your major to see the major-specific courses along with their course descriptions. To the left, you will find information about general education courses and minors. Click on Financial Aid and Tuition to find financial aid codes, information about the cost of tuition and fees, scholarship options, and deadlines for tuition payment and financial aid. To the right, you'll find the Student Services tab that contains information on academic advisement, academic resources, career services, counseling services, disability services, graduation information, student life, and veteran services. When you click on current students in the upper right-hand corner, you will also find helpful links and forms.